Pinoy Bix.
Hi, welcome to Pinoy Pix. Our problem for today state that how many four-letter words beginning and ending with a vowel without any letter repeated can be formed from the word personnel. Kailangan muna natin i-take down yung ating keyword. So, ang word na ginamit is personnel. Okay, number of vowels, so we have 2, E and O. And the number of consonant is 5. So we have P, R, S, N, and L. Next is, since kailangan natin ng 4 letter, so for example, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. For the first letter, there are 2 vowel na pwede nating i-fill dito. So, sulat natin. So, we have 2 vowels that can be filled. And second letter, so we have consonants. So, meron ilan ang consonants na pwede? So, we have 5. So, 5. For the third letter, since nagamit na natin yung isa, so, ang natirang consonants ay 4 na lang. So, kasi sabi dito, without any letter repeated. So, hindi pwedeng ulitin. So, nagamit na yung isa, so 4 na lang yung natirang consonant. Then, for the last letter, nagamit na natin yung isang vowel dito, so isa na lang yung natira. Okay? Okay, para lalo natin maintindihan, so, naglagay ako ng image. So, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. For the first letter, 2 vowels can be filled. For the second letter, 5 consonant can be filled. The third letter, since nagamit na natin yung unang consonant, so 4 na lang yung natira. And for the last, so 1 vowel can be filled since nagamit na natin doon sa unang letter. Next is, we let n equal to total number of words. Okay. So, ang gagamitin natin concept para ma-solve natin ang problem na ito ay yung fundamental principle of counting. Ayan, ito yung kanyang concept. Fundamentals principle of counting. If a thing can be done in m different ways and another thing can be done in n different ways, then the two things can be done in m times n different ways. In the formula, so n is equivalent to m multiplied to n. So applying this fundamental principles of counting into our problem, therefore, n, which is the total number of words, so equivalent to, for the first letter, ilang ways? So dalawa. So 2. For the second letter, so we have times 5 ways, times 4 ways, and last letter times 1. So therefore, the total number of words is equivalent to 40. Finalize lang natin. There are 44 letter words beginning and ending with a vowel without any letter repeated. That's all for now. So stay tuned. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more examples regarding this kind of problem. So again, thank you.
Pinoy Bix.